I'm Steve Keller. I'm an associate professor in the Department of Chemistry here at Mizzou. I did sort of science's 20 greatest hits or 15 greatest hits. Some of the big ideas over the history of science and how they've impacted our view of the universe and our place in it. But I think that the nature of science itself and some of the details about atoms, about evolution, about the Big Bang Theory, about relativity, I think those are important parts of science literacy. We didn't really talk about when people say, in a pejorative sense, evolution is just a theory. Well, that's really all we have. That's really all science can do. Is we have this explanation that is consistent with all the observations that we have, and we're continuing to take more data, and we'll continue to revise and update our theories. But theories aren't guesses. They're supported by data and observations and evidence. And so I think that process of going from observations, the scientific method, if you will, in a little more conscious way, is one of the things that I wanted people to take out of it, as well as knowing a little bit about atoms and a little bit about the Big Bang. All of the things that I talked about today were at some point probably mocked by the scientific establishment. And eventually, if they're right, then other people will reproduce it, people will talk about it, and it will coalesce into a much more accepted theory. Whether it makes the top 20 or not, I don't know, but I think that process is a working one. I love Saturday morning science. It's the crowd is a fantastic mix of high school students and older people from the community and university community, and I hope they got a chance to talk to each other during the refreshments and a little bit afterwards. But it's the variety of science that's going on at Mizzou there aren't very many places that's highlighted. That's not highlighted in the chemistry department's colloquium or in the physics department's colloquium. It's highlighted as making a difference to the community in Saturday morning science, and I think that's great.